All right, dilations for the transformation chapter. A dilation is I guess we could say the shrink. I guess we either going to have an object shrink or grow, or shrink or growth of a figure. The shrink or growth of a figure. That sounds fine to me. The scale factor is how we figure out how much it shrinks or grows. The variable for the scale factor is k. When k is under 1, the whole number 1. Now let's talk about something that's under 1. 1/2 would be under $1. Under 1, that would be 50 cents. Okay, 1/4 would be a quarter. That would be under 1. If it's under 1, mostly will be in a fraction form most of the time. The dilation is a shrink. It will get smaller. If it's above 1, like 6 times the amount, that would be a growth. So let's look at number 1. You got RST, which is back 5, up 1. We got -3, 4, and then 2, -1. Okay, so I plotted my triangle. Now I'm going to make it grow twice as big. What you do is you just take each one of your points and you're going to multiply it by that number. That is all there is to it. So now I get for R, -10, 2. I multiplied it by 2. For S, -3 times 2, that's 6. 4 times 2 is 8. For T, 2 times 2 is 4. And -1 times 2 is -2. Now I will plot these points. -10, 2. Out here, that's my R, my new R. -6, 8. Okay, that's up here. That's going to be my new S. And then 4, -2. There's my new T. Now, on the dilation, you're going to get some overlap like that. So you're going to get overlap. On translations, on a slide, you'll also get some overlap. Okay? So you probably know what to do with the multiply by 3. So let's move on to something else. Let's go to 1/2. So 1/2 is going to get smaller. Okay, I'm not going to do all the points. I'm going to make it a triangle to save time on the video. So J is -10, 2. There's my J. K is -2, 8. There's my K. 6, 2. So there's my original object. If it's a half, so you can times it by 1/2. That is the same exact thing of saying divided by 2. So that's your options. So -10 times a half is -5, or -10 divided by 2 is -5. Okay, now I'm here. 2 times a half is 1. All right, there's my new J. So now I'm looking at K. -2 times a half is -1. And 8 times a half is 4. Now I'm at L. 6. I can say 6 divided by 2 is 3. The same math. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So there's your new triangle. Instead of a rhombus, we're looking at a triangle. So -5, 1. negative 1, 4, and 3, 1. And there is our new triangle. So hopefully that's enough. I can make this video short and sweet, and I hope that was enough. It's basically just multiplying and plotting. That's all it is.